should sound authentic when premiering the spring collection, but still feel comfortable during Teddy's Friday evening stroll. That's why, underneath the best laminate and engineered wood floors, you'll find an exceptional underlayment, Pergo Gold. When we created Pergo Gold, we developed an underlayment with industry-leading sound insulation, thermal insulation, and moisture protection. At 3 millimeters thick, Pergo Gold insulates floors so they minimize the sound to rooms below, while keeping them warmer, more comfortable, and bare feet friendly. A special moisture barrier prevents moisture and vapors from wicking into the floor, damaging the material. And a simple fan fold with pre-taped sides makes Pergo Gold easy to install, while visual guides make trimming a breeze. The result of thicker insulation, increased moisture protection, and easy installation means warmer, more comfortable, longer-lasting floors that sound like hardwood, even when they're not. You might say that Pergo is the new gold standard for underlayment, and it's only available at Lowe's. For more information, ask your Lowe's associate or visit us online.